Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Equations. We already solved 1 to 13 math by 3 videos. First video we completed 1 to 6, second video 7 to 9, third video 10 to 13, and in this video we will start from 14 and it will be last video of this chapter. Let's start. Before start video, my request, don't forget subscribe the channel, and also another request, you should share this video with your friends or relative. Number 14. Here is left hand side 2 fraction and right hand side 1 fraction. Look, here is 3 by m minus 4 minus m plus 2 divide m square minus 3m minus 4 equal 1 divided 2m plus 2. So first 3m minus 4 minus m plus 2. So this m square minus 3m minus 4 we will factorize. So we can write like this: m square minus 4m plus m minus 4. How? Because here is 4 is a constant. Once we multiply 4 by 4 times 1, it will become 4, and 4 minus 1 means 3. So we can write minus 4m plus m. And here 1 we can take common 2, so here is m plus 1. 3m minus 4 minus m plus 2, we can take common m, so we can write m minus 4 plus 1 common, again m minus 4 equal 1 divided 2 m plus 1. Here is 3 m minus 4 minus m plus 2, m minus 4 common, so here is m plus 1 equal 1 divide 2 m plus 1, right? So what can we do? We can LCM this one. So LCM is m minus 4 times m plus 1, because m minus 4 is a common thing and m plus 1 is uncommon thing. So here is 3 m plus 1 minus m minus 2 equal 1 divide 2 m plus 1. If we multiply both sides by m plus 1, so this m plus 1 and this m plus 1 will be out. So here is m minus 4 and here is 3m plus 3 minus m minus 2 equal 1 divide 2. Now look, 3m minus m, it will be 2m, 3 minus 2, it will be plus 1, right? So these two we can multiply here and this one become m minus 4. So we can write this one 4m plus 2, and this m we can exchange, minus m equal minus 4. So here is 3m and these two will be right side, so minus 4 minus 2, so 3m equal minus 6. Once we divide both sides by 3, so it will become minus 2. So our answer is m equal minus 2. Okay, so hope you understand this one. This is a very easy math, but we have to keep concentrate about plus minus sign. Number 14 done. Let's start number 15. Number 15. Here is 4 divide a square minus a minus 2 plus 3 divide a square minus 4 equal 2 divide a square plus 3a plus 2. So everything first we have to customize, like 4 divide a square minus a minus 2, we have to factorize this one. So a square minus 2a plus a minus 2. How? 2 times 1 means 2 and 2 minus 1 means 1 plus 3. This one we can write a square minus 2 square equal to this one we can write a square plus 2a plus a plus 2. 4 here a common, a minus 2 plus 1 common, a minus 2 plus 3. This one looking a square minus b square, so we can write a plus 2 times a minus 2 equal, here is 2, so we can take common a, here is a plus 2 plus 1 common, a plus 2. Okay. Here is 4 a minus 2 a plus 1 plus 3 a plus 2 a minus 2, right, equal, here is 2 divide a plus 2 times a plus 1, right. Then look, what is common thing in left side? Here is a plus 1 is uncommon, but a minus 2 and a minus 2 here is available. So we can write like this. Two things we can do. This right side we can exchange to left side, or first we LCM, then we can cross multiply. So here is, we can write 4 a minus 2 a plus 1 plus 3 a plus 2 a minus 2 minus this one we exchange to divide a plus 2 a plus 1 equal 0. So which one is common? A minus 2, a minus 2, we can write a minus 2. Here is a plus 1, a plus 1, we can write a plus 1. Again here is a plus 2, a plus 2, we can write a plus 2. So here is 4. So a minus 2, a plus 1 out. So here should be 4 times a plus 2 plus 3. Here is a plus 2, a minus 2. So here should be a plus 1 minus 2. So here is a plus 2 and a plus 1. So here is will be a minus 2 equal 0. Okay. Then look, this one we can, if we multiply with 0, it will become 0. So here is, we can write what? Four a plus 8 plus 3a plus 3 minus 2a plus 4 equal 0. So here is what? 4a plus 3a minus 2a. So here is 7a minus 2a, it means 5a, right? 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, so it will be 15. So plus 15 equals 0. So 5a equals to minus 15. So a equals to minus 3. Okay, this is our answer. So hope you understand this one. It's also a very important math for GED 10 or GCSE. Okay, number 15 complete. So we need to complete one more math. Let's start. Number 16, d plus 3 divide d equal 3 divide 4 minus d plus 9 divide 2d. So here we can do one thing, d plus 3 divide d, and this minus d plus 9 divide 2d we can exchange. So here is plus d plus 9 divide 2d equal 3 by 4. So here LCM is 2d. So once you 2d divide by d, here is 2d plus 3 plus d plus 9 equal 3 by 4, right? Now look, 2d, and here is 2d plus 6 plus d plus 9 equal 3 by 4. So now we can multiply, cross multiply. So here is 2d and d, 3d, 6 plus 9 means 15, right? Times 4, and here 3 times 2 means 6d. So here is 12d plus 60 equals, this 6d we can exchange to left side. So 6d equal 0. So look, 12d minus 6d, it means 6d equal, this 60 will be exchanged, so minus 60. So once we divide both sides by 6, so d equals to minus 10. This elaboration thing you can do yourself any other way, but result will be d equal minus 10d. Okay, we complete 16 math. All the math you will get in description box. All the math link we will be get in description box. Thank you very much for being with me. If you have any question, just write the question at comments box. And also my request, don't forget subscribe the channel and also make comments if you need anything. Thank you.